of the function g of x equals e to the x shown from 0 to 1. See the way it starts at 0 and ends at 1. And it's graphed. Now, on the same graph, it wants me to do e to the power of minus x. So let's do that, okay? So here's what I'm planning on doing. I go to my calculator, I go mode, table function, and I just go e to the power minus x. You see it? I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to end at 1. What do you think my step should be? You could do 0.1, but I think I'm going to join that with 0.2. Yeah, it might be a bit better. Okay, so 0, 1 starts at the same spot, doesn't it? That one was growing, but I think we're getting smaller. So let's have a look at this. It goes up. I think that's 0.2. That's 0.4. That's 0.6. That's 0.8. So what do we think it was? Just above 0.8, wasn't it? 0.2 and 0.8 there. So just there. Next one is 0.4 and 0.67. So just below 0.7. Then next one, 0.6 and 0.55. Halfway between. Oh, I did that too low. Okay, next one, 0.44. Yeah, next one, 0.37. It looks almost like a straight line, but it's not though, is it? Yeah, it's barely curving, like it's very close to a straight line. You cool with that? Okay. All right. So next question is find the area between the line x equals 0.75 and those two curves we just talked about a minute ago. So here's what we're going to do this. We're going to get this done in a nice time. So this is 0.75. That's 0.7. So 0.75 is halfway between 0.7 and 0.8. You cool with that? Okay. And we're looking for this sort of like a triangular region, isn't it? It's like a curved triangular region. So the region we're looking for is this part here. Okay. Now, in order to get that part, here's what we're going to do first. We're going to get the this yellow part here. Ever see this yellow part? It is g of x. Yeah, of course, yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to integrate g of x. And what do we get? We start at 0 and we end at 0.75. Yeah, you integrate e to the x, you get e to the x. Everybody happy? That's the yellow region. And then what we're going to do with that yellow region is we're going to take away the green region underneath, which is this part here. And that is the integral of what? So that's minus e 0.750 e minus x dx. Is that okay? I'll show you in a second. Integrate e to the x you get. So it's e to the x from 0.75 to 0. Is that okay? And then you integrate the black one is different. It's e to the minus x, yeah? But the part we're forgetting about is you actually have to differentiate the power. What happens when you differentiate x? You get 1. So there is actually a 1 there. It's just that we just don't put it down as all. That's actually a 1 right there. But it doesn't make a difference. But what happens when we integrate this one? What happens when we differentiate the power this time? Yeah, exactly. And that's your 0.7 and your, was it your 0.75 and your, yeah. Now we're going to calculate them both individually. Is that okay? We're expecting the yellow region to be much bigger than this. And then we're expecting to take them away from each other, aren't we? Okay, so let's try this out. So it's going to be e to the 0.75 minus e to the 0. And what is e0? 1. Is that okay with you guys? And then we're going to take, and then this region here is minus 1e minus 0.75. And what's a double minus? And a plus at E0, isn't it? So what is it? Plus 1. So is everybody happy with the two of them? I can put them both into decimals though, which is okay. So the first one could be e to the power of, what's it? E to the power 0.75, yeah? Take away 1. And that answer is 1.117. And then we're expecting this area to be smaller, aren't we? Yo, what? What? Wait. No, we don't. Yeah. 0.53 or 527. Sorry, 528. And that's what we expected, wasn't it? That the green area is not as big as the yellow. And then when you take them away from each other, yeah. How would you find that now if you were asked that? 0.589. And how many decimals? 4. So I actually probably, sorry guys at home, I made a mistake there. I should have had, but I can fix it quite quickly. 117 was perfect. I should have had 76 for that, shouldn't I? Just fix it up for me there, Connell. And we're done now, guys. So what do we get? Oh, you're going to ask me to send you nature of roots, isn't it? So what's this? 0.5894, and that's it in 4 decimal places.